Hey guys, Dave with Blackthorn-USA again, doing another video behind the shop here. So a lot of people have been doing friction fire videos, and I wanted to jump on that bandwagon and give it a shot myself. So real quickly here, we're going to see if we can bust out an ember with a hand drill. Alright, guess you guys can see that alright. Okay, so I like to make things challenging, so we're going to go ahead and just wet this down a little bit. Just kind of maybe simulate some humidity or some rain or something like that. Get that nice and wet there. Water dripping off the end there. Alright, so we just dunk off that part. Alright. Alright, so nice and wet. Already drilled and did a burn in here, so we're just going to warm her up and see if we can make an ember. Just kind of floating on the top of the spindle here for a second, just to kind of warm it up. And of course the heat from that is going to drill out or is going to dry out the end of that spindle there a little bit. So I hope it's making dust and notches over there where you guys can see it. It's either going to make some dust and some heat, or I'm going to wear myself out for nothing. Should have wet the top of the spindle. Had to stop there and lick my hands. They were getting too dry. Oh hell, we got an ember in there now. There we go. Probably would have worked better if I'd have wet the whole spindle. You can see that's still damp, but we got an ember. Okay. So wet hand drill, it can be done. A little bit of humidity is not going to kill you. A little bit of moisture is not going to be a deal breaker. So that's all I got. Just wanted to give that a shot. Like the video, subscribe, check us out on the web. We're all over the place. Or not, I don't care. See ya.